Friends, this is a video of high subtrochanteric fracture demonstrated at Akola during one of the interlocking workshops treated with PFN A2.
Dr. Gadegone? Hello?
No, sir, you can start.
Can you see? I am inserting a T1 pin as a joystick in the lateral, from the lateral cortex into the proximal fragment just to have a control. Shoot. Yeah.
As you are starting, we also want to acknowledge Dr. Pankaj Jaju, who is our anesthetist for both.
Yes. Shoot. What I am going to do is
Can you show us the X-ray, sir, before?
shoot. Yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute. I just what I am going to do is shoot. 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 Okay.
Firoz, Rajesh, can you show us the PR?
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Shoot. Yeah. See, other X-ray. This is a subtrochanteric fracture. High subtrochanteric fracture. It's at the level of the lesser trochanter only.
Yeah, we can see, sir.
Yeah. And probably you're going to use only a 18 centimeter nail. So I'll see the canal, and if it can accommodate a 10 centimeter 25, then I'll use it. Otherwise, I'm happy with a 18 centimeter nail also, because if the interlocking is done about 1 inch away from the fracture site, that's fine. Okay, here zoom pura dikao. See, this perineal post I kept eccentrically. I can keep my hand in between the post and the thigh. It's actually against the opposite side ischial tuberosity, and this is the neutral position of the leg. I have adducted by about 15 degrees from here, and I have tried to put a Steinmann pin into the proximal fragment as anterior as possible. Shoot. Show there. You can see.
Yes, sir.
I would have loved to go still more anteriorly, but I don't want to remove the bone again now. I'll get back to the AP now. AP. And we'll see how the position of the Steinmann pin. I have tried to pass it about 90 degree. See, this is the 90 degree to the thigh, so that I have place for me to adduct it if it is required. Already under traction, the fragment is well adducted. So I don't think I have to adduct it further. But anyway, as a precautionary measure, always I keep it at 90 degree. I will not pass it 135 degree. If I pass at 135 degree, hardly I have place for it to further adduct. So now that it is in that position, yes, shoot. Okay, that's fine. So Dabuna Stivunaka, please. Just shoot and see. I don't want live. Can you see now? It's very well adducted already. I don't have to do much. So now normally this is the place, you can see that my Steinmann pin is coming from the flare of the trochanter into the inferior part of the head, and again into that one. What I will ask the assistant is to hold it adducted and interrotated. Shoot. In that position, the lesser trochanter will be properly seen, and the tip of the trochanter will be very well seen. T handle there. Always better to hold with a Steinmann pin with a T handle, so that now the assistant job is to do this much only. Now incision. This is the anterior superior iliac spine. Can you see? I am not able to see what you are going to see, because I know your assistant hand is coming. You can see anterior superior iliac spine, a line dropping down from the tip of the trochanter, another line. Wherever they are meeting, I am taking an incision about 1 inch long, and I am feeling the tip of the trochanter. I can feel the tip of the trochanter. I'll show under Siam my tip of the middle finger. Shoot. Can you see? Yes. So you can see that my tip of the middle finger can be seen. Guide pin. Normally, for doing a A2FN, we have the cannulated owl, but I want to go much more medial to that. So shoot. Yeah. This is the teardrop. You can see so well, Kanak. And over the teardrop, and they are exactly in the middle. By this is my feeling. So I have to confirm in lateral position. Shoot. And now in the lateral position, if it is the center, I will open with the centering owl, which comes with the set. थोड़ा अजून मशीन असा आणा. बिकॉज मशीन फक्त वरती नाही, बेस अजून थोडा आणा इकडे. ओके, आता हा प्लीज लाईव्ह दाबू नका. Shoot. You can see it's slightly anterior. Shoot. Shoot. Okay. This seems alright for me. Or slightly, I can go slightly posterior to that. Shoot. Shoot. Yeah, this is exactly in the center. I will hammer now this. Only care I have to take is it has to be parallel to the anterior cortex. In lateral picture, it's parallel to the anterior cortex, and in AP picture, AP gap, it has to be parallel to the lateral cortex. So this is very, very important to prevent varus. Shoot, तुम्ही खाली दाबायचे नाही, please. You are the person who is holding the reduction. आम्ही नुसतं nail घालणार आहे. See, this is what is important. The assistant should hold it properly, because in the heat of the surgery, he is interested to see the surgery and other things. Okay. Now you can see that my guide pin is quite parallel to the lateral cortex. What I am going to do is, now I am going to enlarge that. See, now I am using a step cut drill because there is nothing in between. See, now I am going to the parallel to the lateral cortex. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
If somebody says yes or no only, I can understand. Okay. Now I'll remove this and pass the guide wire. To me, please, idun nalvayache nahi.
Lateral view of
This, see, the guide pin I have passed parallel to the anterior cortex, so I am sure that this is in that direction. Shoot. Now some more reduction, please. अजून थोड़ा reduction करा. Shoot. Shoot.
ऍडॅक्ट करायचंय.
Shoot. अजून reduct करा लागते.
करतोय.
You can see that my guide wire is touching the distal fragment medially. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
And you can see that my guide wire is parallel to the lateral cortex. This is what I want to achieve.
Yes, the lateral cortex of the
Proximal fragment. Shoot.
Do you want me to adapt more, sir?
No, you just release the traction. Once you release the traction, I can manipulate little more. Go that side. See, zoom out करके इधर दिखाओ, उधर दाओ थोड़ा और थोड़ा पीछे. What I am going to do is release the traction, flex and adduct the distal fragment. Shoot. Now you can see this fracture is well aligned. Can you see?
So we can see the improvement.
उधर दिखाओ अभी.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, this is what normally happens if too much of traction is given. So now I am inside the medullary canal, so I don't want to give traction again. Now it is quite well reduced. See, in spite of having gone on the piriformis fossa, when I rimmed, it has got lateralized.
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes.
So T handle के ऊपर, I don't want the coordinates. So now extend the incision over the guide wire. The soft tissue I am going to clear here, please. I am removing the soft tissue on either side and passing the protector sleeve over this, and now that the protector sleeve is passed, I am going to ream with the 50, this is the I think 16 millimeter reamer. And what I am going to do is, you see my right hand, I am not sure whether you can see or not, I am trying to ream more medially. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Who is coordinating? Tarun?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Shoot.
Yes, sir. CR image, sir.
Shoot. See, इधर दिखाओ अभी वापस.
So you are pushing more
Medially. So that otherwise if I don't push it, the entry becomes automatically lateralized. This is very important. In spite of taking all this care also, you can see that my line will be in line with the tip of the trochanter at the end of this surgery. Shoot.
Yes, the guide wire was attaching.
Again there is a stopper here that will determine how much shoot. That's the end. That's
CR image.
again, while removing also you should give the pressure. Otherwise what happens is, while removing also the trochanter is so soft that we end up removing more on the lateral side. Now I will pass the, yes. So I am sizing the canal.
Yes, sir.
What is sizing is just to pass the reamer and confirm which one will go easily. Shoot. Okay. This 10 is going easily.
Yes, sir.
So I am sure a 10 millimeter nail I am able to pass without any. Oh, guide wire has come out. 11 column there. Shoot. Yeah.
Shiva, can you design an eccentric reamer which will help you to ream more on the medial side, like you were saying?
That's a good idea. Probably I'll take that as a challenge. Let me see. Basically, you have understood the problem. That's a good thing. गाइडर में है निष्ठा लग लगे. Okay. This 11 also has gone. Let me pass the 12. That is one of the reason I didn't use the centering awl which comes with the, not the centering awl, the cannulated awl which comes with the set.
This is a 12 size.
Yeah, this is 12 centimeter. If 12 goes easily, then I can pass the 11 millimeter nail easily. Shoot. थोड़ा नीचे दिखाओ. It has gone quite well.
You're still holding the proximal fragment in internal rotation as well?
Yeah. इधर दिखाओ please.
Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah.
But it will not make a difference when the nail goes in.
No. What happens is, if this fragment is moving, whenever I am passing different trimmers, different parts of the bone gets reamed. So it becomes wide. बोगदा बन जाता है.
अच्छा.
Somehow this is slipping every time. I am not getting locked. That's why I asked my assistant Harish to not to see any surgery, just hold that in that position, because he was looking back for the instruments. 11 ते कुठले द्या, 18 पण चालते, 25 पण चालते. Whatever is 25 is there.
So now you bring it up to 12, huh?
Yeah, and I have not rimmed. I have passed the 12 millimeter remark by hand just to know the size of the canal.
And the distal fragment is in neutral location.
Yeah, distal fragment is majority of the time it is neutral position for subtrochanteric fracture, but for intertrochanteric fracture it could be external rotation or internal rotation as per the requirement.
Okay.
उधर दिखा दो पैर, इधर पेशेंट का ही पैर मेरा नहीं.
Okay, and you're going to let go of this internal rotation of the proximal fragment when you just pass the nail up into the proximal side.
I didn't get it, sir.
This internal rotation of the proximal fragment which is being maintained
Yeah.
will be let
Till
go.
the neck screw goes inside.
Oh, I see.
Then I will align the distal fragment to the proximal fragment at the end of the surgery. Shoot. Give me the supine driver.
This is 18 centimeters, sir?
18 centimeter. You can see that the distal locking is at 2 inches away from the fracture side. So I am comfortable with this. Driver नहीं distal लागले. Okay. This 11 also has gone. Let me pass the 12. Shoot. थोड़ा नीचे दिखाओ. It has gone quite well.
You're still holding the proximal fragment in internal rotation as well?
Yeah. इधर दिखाओ please.
Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah.
But it will not make a difference when the nail goes in.
No. What happens is if this fragment is moving, whenever I am passing different trimmers, different parts of the bone gets rimmed. So it becomes wide. बोगदा बन जाता है.
अच्छा.
That's why I asked my assistant Harish to not to see any surgery, just hold that in that position because he was looking back for the instruments. 11 ते कुठले द्या 18 पण चालते 25 पण चालते. Whatever is 25 is there.
So now you bring it up to 12, huh?
Yeah, and I have not rimmed. I have passed the 12 millimeter remark by hand just to know the size of the canal.
And the distal fragment is in neutral location.
Yeah, distal fragment.
Let go of this internal rotation of the proximal fragment when you just pass the nail up into the proximal side.
I didn't get it, sir.
This internal rotation of the proximal fragment which is being maintained
Yeah.
will be let
Till
go.
the neck screw goes inside.
Oh, I see.
Then I will align the distal fragment to the proximal fragment at the end of the surgery. Shoot. Give me the supine driver.
This is 18 centimeters, sir?
18 centimeter. You can see that the distal locking is at 2 inches away from the fracture side. So I am comfortable with this. Tight करा.
Sir, we have an understanding that a long PFN might be better in subthroat fracture. So what will you say about that?
See, I am of the opinion that fracture at the area of tight करा पाहिजे. नंतर करा. A fracture at the level of lesser trochanter 18 centimeter nail is more than sufficient. That's what my say is, and I have been using, and I have never repented using this. So, and I have practically stopped using a 24 or 25 centimeter PFN. Either I use a full long PFN or a short 18 centimeter PFN.
The reason being, sir?
The reason is the long PFN is side specific. There is an anterior curvature given to the nail, whereas this 18 and 25 centimeters nail are universal, that is straight nail. So you are putting a straight nail in a curved bone, which is not ideal. Shoot.
Where it impinges on the anterior.
Yeah. See, without hammering, with hand only I have passed this much. Shoot. I think this is okay. You have to hold it in this position. अभी आप इधर आ जाइए, दोनों होल्ड कीजिए, लेफ्ट हैंड से इसको दबाइए, नहीं इधर इधर राइट हैंड, हाँ ठीक है, चलेगा. Okay, that's fine. Now you are holding reduction as well as rotate. वो अंदर बाहर जाने का वो भी बंद किया है. Okay. Now I'll attach the proximal locking jig. The only difference between synthesis and this is a proximal locking jig and distal locking jig are separate in this case, whereas in synthesis they are only one. That's the only difference I have found. Otherwise, both are same practically. Knife. Wherever this is touching, I am taking a incision about 1 inch long because this sleeve is quite big in size. There is a flat surface that you have to pass inside. Once it gets locked, you just keep on rotating till this goes inside and touches the bone on the outer aspect. Now it cannot come out because there is a stopper which gets locked. Are you with me?
Sir, now you are fixing the proximal fragment in internal rotation.
Yeah, whatever the rotation. I am aligning the distal fragment because there is fracture is beyond this. So I can do whatever I want afterwards. Basically, I am putting a screw in the neck and having a control with this nail. Shoot. This has to touch the sleeve has to touch the outer cortex. There should not be any soft tissue or gap in between. That is very very important. Otherwise, unnecessary your instrument starts sliding on a thick cortical bone there. Shoot.
Still there should be some gap.
That's okay because so much of tensor fascial length and other thing will be there. Then I normally open up the lateral cortex with the trocar. Shoot. Shoot. I don't mind putting this is the culprit. Shoot. Okay. Now give me the guide wire. Shoot. 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 I can see. This is the reason why I said that I normally want to use a hand drill. Now the Steinmann pin is coming in the way of this wire, which is very difficult to make out with a power drill. So two things I am going to do now. Anyway, it's center, it is fine. I'll just withdraw the I'm just going to withdraw the Steinmann pin till the fracture site, till the where it is abutting. Shoot.
So won't you have like to have a lateral view and
Shoot. Yeah. Okay. No, I will pass this little more and find out. Shoot. It's quite acceptable in center,
okay.
or I can go slightly inferiorly. I would love to go slightly inferiorly because that's how I do it. I'll hammer this little more inside. Hammer there. Sada hammer there. Hammer over this. I don't want the slotted one. Double there. Trocar there पहले. हाथ में trocar. Shoot.
So the guide wire is taken out.
The guide wire is taken out. Then which guide wire? Over the nail or? Yeah, that has been taken out.
So,
Okay.
Sir, we would like to see the lateral view.
Even I would like to see the lateral view. I am more interested than you. Shoot. Yeah. Okay, this is perfect. Exactly in the center. Shoot. थोड़ा head दाखवा. Are you with me? Okay. AP दाखवा परत. How to release this? Yeah, इकडे थोड़ा आता है. पूरी तरह.
what's the diameter of the screw that goes in?
Diameter of the screw.
Blade.
Still very barely. Now you have reduced the internal rotation of the proximal fragment.
What is the diameter of this? Yes.
This one. This one is 10.
Okay. Measurement. This is 10 centimeter, 10 millimeter. The diameter of the screw. I didn't get you.
No, Shiva.
Ah.
Different basic question.
Ah.
You have kept the proximal fragment in adaptation, we understand, because you wanted to enter the uniform force.
Yeah.
But you kept it in internal rotation to correct the external rotation of the proximal fragment, or you just
When I'm passing the nail, it has to be in that corrected position. Then only I will understand that it is going. Otherwise, oblique direction I will be passing, and I end up having the screw either too posterior or too anteriorly, which is not clearly seen. So I'm just neutralizing whatever the deformity has happened.
Okay.
Now, if the measurement is 75, 85. Hmm? This side 75, this is 80. Okay, this is 75. So it's so short. So I have to use only a 70 centimeter. Yeah, 70. 70 is the screwdriver. Screwdriver. There is a reamer starter. Lateral cortex. Again, hand. I want all hand distribution.
So isn't the guide wire too inferior for your liking?
See, the guide wire position is not determined by the fracture or anything. Where you want to go in the head. So here I am opening the lateral cortex. It might be through the fracture side. That's fine. Shoot. And I have opened the lateral fracture. Either become. You can see that it ends there. It cannot go further. Shoot. I confirm that the guide wire is not coming. Now I will use the step cut drill. I want to use the step cut drill. Again, there is a restrictor in here, which I will be adjusting to 70. No question.
the step cut is two diameters, is it?
Yeah, front for the. You can see this front portion is for the blade,
Blade.
and the back portion for the screw unthreaded portion. Shoot. See again here you can see that I am not drilling. I am just rotating on either side so that the bone gets remain there only. Shoot. The guide wire is going inside. Shoot. 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 The 70. That's what. Now I'll increase it to 80 now. We'll see. Shoot. Give me 75. Shoot. Anyway, this is subtrochanteric fracture. I need not have to compact the bone. Shoot. what I am going to do is I just hammer the spline. Shoot, that's all. So guide wire is coming out. Another wire is there to push that. Shoot. Okay. Now you can see that it is not an intertrochanteric element. ये कितनी है? I don't want it to be totally.
Hello, Shiva.
Yeah.
Has he reduced the internal rotation?
इधर दिखाओ, इसका हाथ दिखाओ. You tell me.
It appeared to us like that.
On the AP view under Siam, it looks like you're still in valgus. That's because he has still erected the proximal fragment.
Yes.
ते सोडणार नाही.
मी करते सोडणार नाही चर्चे. I want more it to be. See, I am not opening this. I am just hammering this position only. Are you with me?
Okay.
Because this is subtrochanteric fracture. Just I have kept it slightly open that I can compact. That's all. Hammer. Otherwise, if I hammer and try to compact it, it comes back. See, I have not passed it yet.
In this position, isn't it necessary for the band to touch the lateral surface?
Yeah, it is necessary to touch. How it has come out, I don't know. Shoot, it has got dislodged by inadvertently. Shoot. सियाम उधर ही दिखाओ. Shoot. I think this will come in the way. थोड़ा. Shoot. Yeah. Shoot. 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 Now it has reached. Now only one thread I am going to tighten. Here, इधर दिखाओ. Already I have tightened one thread. That's all. If it was an intertrochanteric fracture, I would have kept it open and I would have tightened more. Yeah. Shoot. I'll remove this. Its work is over. Shoot. Guide wire removal. एक टी हैंडल वगैरह. इसे सर. So theater work is over now. Shoot. Guide pin has been removed. Guide wire has been removed. Now the proximal jig will be removed. No. You can remove this much, but keep the jig. Now, what I am going to do is, why I was keeping all the time like this, I will ask the assistant to hold it neutral to the ground, horizontal to the ground. Then I will externally rotate the distal fragment by about 15 to 30 degree. Since I have made it neutral, normally there is an anti-version of 15 degree. I have made it neutral means I have already internally rotated 15 degree. So the foot will be, instead of 30 degree, I will keep it at around 15 to 20 degree extra rotation. Can you see here?
Yes, sir, but we did not get it. Can you please repeat it?
Normally, the neck is 15 degree antiverted.
Yes, sir.
And the foot, if you look, it will be 30-degree external rotated
Yes.
in the neutral position. Since I have already internally rotated the neck by 15 degrees, I will reduce this 30 degree to another 15 degree. It will become 15 to 20 degree.
Yes.
That is the position in which I will keep the distal fragment of the foot on the assistant to hold it parallel to the ground, and then do the distal locking. Distal locking.
This static or dynamic?
Dynamic. I am a dynamic man.
Yes. And sir, what is it from the proximal end? What you have put?
Where?
The jig, the
Here.
proximal arm.
This is a supine driver I have put. That I will be removing. Yeah, I can remove right now also.
Yeah.
Supine driver. Just to hammer the nail. No.
No,
Okay. Now I will do the distal locking.
Sir, CR image. And won't you be adjusting the shaft manually?
Don't you feel?
Yeah.
Adduction I don't want. Actually I am happy with abduction. I want this. Once the patient starts walking, that will get collapsed. The fracture will get collapsed. See, here, hold it this. It come from here. I am trying to press the fragment. I release the traction and I am trying to jump as much as possible. And I am going to do a dynamic locking. Another 5 millimeter collapse is possible. So, तुम्ही हरीश तिकडे या नाही असं जरा तिकडे तिकडे तुम्ही मध्ये येऊ नका तुम्ही परत तिकडे या सर ओके आता तुम्ही अजिबात हलवायचं नाही now you can see that my locking is parallel to the ground taking a stab incision for the distal dynamic locking again there is a trocar drill घालून द्या shoot खाली घ्या please this is the advantage of taking a entry much more medially. I am getting the valgus. As you all know that varus is bad and valgus is good.
At any time.
Yeah. Should see when you do the distal locking also you should see that your locking is away from the fracture side in a dynamic hole. Shoot 36. You can do the measurement, but I don't think I have to measure it here. There is a measurement device that दाखवतो. तुम्ही 36 द्या, मला measurement device द्या. Measurement device. There is a locking bolt measurement device. Shoot. It is holding the lateral cortex, which is 30 here. So normally I want 2 millimeter on either side, so it becomes 34. So I ask for 36, so I will persist with 36. So this is a 36 millimeter, 4.9 millimeter bolt. So this is the reason why I have not removed the jig. Anywhere I normally don't, even while doing freehand locking also I don't remove the jig. Shoot. Don't tighten it fully because the proximal 1 millimeter is not having the threads. Hexagonal wrench. Hexagonal wrench. Now I show the AP and lateral final long there. This is a hexagonal wrench which can fit in any direction. There is about 30 millimeters of play. वरती घ्या आणि दाखवा तुम्हाला बोल्ट द्या टॉप बोल्ट. So here you can see that this can fit in any direction. That's the advantage of this. So it's very easy to hold this. And this is the top bolt. Again padla kali अजून एक द्या. This also screwdriver has a similar to hexagonal wrench play. be able to do fingering properly. Shoot. I already locked it well. Shoot. Save. Now lateral view, please. Save. Okay. Lateral view. Now, when he is taking the dead lateral view, I have to internally rotate the foot. Otherwise, it will look slightly oblique. So, पुढे ढकला लो. त्याच position मध्ये दाखवा first, then we'll rotate the foot. पुढे ढकला as near as possible. थोड़ा अपडेट करा चालते. पुढे it has to be as near as possible. Shoot. Maybe वाला. See, there is no flexion deformity. The anterior line is very well maintained. Okay, then you rotate the foot and show, which looks far more better than this. Shoot. See? Yeah. Thank you very much.
So this was the video of PFN A2 for a high subtrochanteric fracture. I know during some part there was hand coming in the way of the assistant, which was not realized when doing the surgery, but it gives a fair idea of about how to do a PFN A2. Thank you for watching.